Step into the world of home fitness with the Sunny Health and Fitness FA-7966 Fitness Avenue Treadmill, a compact powerhouse launched in 2020. Designed for the comfort of your home, this treadmill offers a motorized incline and speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour, rivaling its predecessor, the Sunny FA-7766. Key features include a 60 by 29.5-inch frame, a 48.7 by 17-inch tread belt, and a weight capacity of 220 pounds. The automatic incline peaks at 15 degrees, and the 1.6 horsepower motor ensures a smooth and steady pace. With 12 preset programs, Bluetooth, and a USB charging port, this treadmill is both functional and convenient. Frame construction boasts a sturdy metallic build with a corrosion-resistant finish, complemented by durable thermoplastic parts. Despite its solid construction, the FA-7966 is compact enough to fit in smaller spaces, with a folding design that makes storage a breeze. The deck offers a comfortable walking and jogging experience, thanks to its multi-layer belt and shock-absorbing rubber pads. The motorized incline system allows for on-the-fly adjustments, with quick selection controls for ease of use. Drive motor capabilities are tailored for home workouts, with a 1.6 horsepower output that's energy efficient and quiet. The speed range is perfect for varying your workout intensity, and the console's quick selection keys make transitions seamless. The console is a standout feature with an LED backlit LCD that tracks essential workout metrics. While it doesn't support app connectivity, it compensates with a variety of built-in programs and goal settings. The sound system and Bluetooth connectivity add an entertainment factor, while the USB port keeps your devices charged. Assembly is minimal, requiring only a few simple steps to get started. Maintenance is just as easy, with a lubrication reminder and a straightforward cleaning routine. The FA-7966 is a testament to the blend of convenience and functionality, making it a valuable addition to any home gym.